Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Motorola Moto G87 using your lock screen pattern. So, if you forgot or simply cannot access your device using this pattern, then the best solution would be reaching out to Motorola Customer Support service and telling them about this issue, and in case you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they'll be able to help you unlock your device without removing any personal data from it. Otherwise, you're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation. Now, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example, face unlock or fingerprint unlock, you can either connect your smartphone to your PC to back up your data before you perform a factory reset operation, or you can also go to settings, then find not security and privacy, but you're gonna have to find backup or copy data, and then back up your important data to your Google Drive. And after that, you'll be able to perform the factory reset operation either remotely or locally. To perform it remotely, you have to open your web browser on any other device that you have and go to the Find Hub website. Enter the website, sign into your Google account, the one that is linked to your Motorola. Then you will see your Motorola on the list. You have to select it right here, tap Settings, and select Factory Reset. This will perform the remote factory reset on your Motorola. In case you cannot do that either, then you're gonna need to enter the recovery mode and perform the factory reset operation through there. To do that, you're gonna have to force shut down your smartphone by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time until the screen of your device goes off. And after it goes off, you have to immediately start holding down the volume down button without the power key. This will make the Android logo appear on your screen, and here, using the volume down key, navigate to recovery mode option, and once you see it highlighted, just press power button and then wait for another Android robot lane on your smartphone screen with no command message. And once you see this robot, what you're gonna need to do to get through is hold down the power button of your smartphone, and while holding it down, should press the volume up key. After you do that, you will see the recovery mode of your device. Here you'll be able to navigate using up and down arrow keys and select with the power button. What you need to do right now is select wipe data / factory reset, and after that, go to factory data reset and press power button once again. Now, I'm not gonna do this right now, but once the factory reset operation is finished, you'll be redirected to recovery mode again. So now what you want to do is select reboot system now and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. And after that, you're gonna have to set up your device once again and restore your data from the backup if you prepared it. Now, if you do remember your device's password or pattern, then instead of doing all that, you can also try to unlock your device in the safe mode, because maybe some third-party application or some background activity is blocking your way through the system and is changing the way that your lock screen behaves. Now, if you consider such possibility, if you want to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to force restart your device once again in the very same way by holding down the power button and volume up key at the same time. Once your screen goes off, wait for the logo to appear on your screen, and then wait for about 5 seconds, and after these 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down button of your device. And just wait for your device to boot into the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner. Now, if you manage to go here, try entering your pattern once again, And if this time it worked, then what you're gonna need to do is go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, then Device Unlock, Screen Lock, enter your password, and then None or Swipe. Tap Delete, and then restart your device normally. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.